Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you 3 Google settings you should turn off right now to improve your privacy, reduce unnecessary background activity, and even help extend your phone's battery life. So, let's get started. Open your settings, scroll down, and tap Google. Then select All Services. Scroll down to the Privacy and Security section. The first setting is Usage and Diagnostics. Open it and turn it off. This feature sends diagnostic and usage data from your device to Google to help improve Android. While it's useful for Google, not for users. Disabling it can reduce unnecessary data collection and activity from Google and other apps. Now go back. The second setting is Personalization using shared data. Open it and disable every option you see. These settings allow Google Apps to use information from your device to personalize recommendations, suggestions, and other experiences. Depending on your phone, you may also see apps like Chrome, Gmail, Maps, or others. Turn all of them off if you prefer greater privacy and less personalized tracking. Now return to the previous menu. The third and final setting is Ads. Open it and tap Reset Advertising ID. Then confirm it. After that, tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm again. This limits how apps can use your advertising identifier for personalized ads. You'll still see advertisements, but they'll be less personalized and your activity will be harder to link to a single advertising profile. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.